And after a long time I'm going to upload a new video on this channel. And if I just want to make a quick update that why was I not uploading any videos, because I have a full-time job, and I was like since almost like a month I was working on a exclusive Rust backend service. So basically I'm building a backend service as a platform where we are going to plan we are going to upload some exclusive Rust and the system design tutorials in future. I mean, that's what we are thinking as of now, and I'm doing this voluntarily, completely for free, but for my friend. So of course I'll be teaching on that platform, and the for the specifically for the Rust, I am the one who will be uh, creating the exclusive tutorials. But for me it will be completely volunteer uh, work, and like I'm not getting paid, and I don't want to get paid for this, so it will be a free service from my side, but for one of my friends platform. So basically, but yeah, we are together building it. Anyways, so today I just wanted to show you how, as of now, how we are deploying our app to the production. So I mean, when I'm saying production, mean you can say like we have created like dev or like prod kind of environment where we are just continuously uploading our backend service, or like updating our backend service just for the testing purpose. So it is not live yet, but very soon it will be live. So whenever it will be live, the flow will not get changed much. So I just wanted to share a quick video, like how, as of now, how are we handling the continuous deployment using GitHub Actions and CI/CD pipeline. And right now we are using GCP, which is stands for Google Cloud Platform, and we are using Google Cloud Run and Google Artifact Registry. So basically this is a flow diagram of our deployment. So what I'm doing here, I'm just like okay, this is me, the developer, or the any developer working with us. So what a developer needs to do: a developer update code in a feature branch, and that push that branch to GitHub, and then create a PR pull request to the main branch. And as soon as you create a pull request to main branch, it will trigger the CI pipeline which we have defined in our code, which will be running tests only. So that pipeline on the GitHub Actions will be running the test, and if everything goes okay, and if like all the tests are passed, and if the pipeline is not breaking, then we are okay to merge the PR to the main branch. And as soon as you merge that PR to the main branch, we run another CI pipeline to repeat the process. So here, after that, we are ready to release. So for releasing, what we are doing here, for releasing we are having a tag based release. So like even if you pushed even if you have pushed your code to the main branch, it will not deploy that immediately to the GCP, because here what you need to do, you have to manually create a tag, and that and if you do not create that tag, it will not deploy your app to the GCP. So what happens here, if you create a tag like which you have to, so create a release tag, like, and it has to be like a semantic tag versioning. So you have to do v1.o.o. Then as soon as you create a tag, it will trigger a release pipeline. So what happens on the release pipeline, basically it will again running all the tests, it will building a Docker image, and then it will be pushing that Docker image to the GCP artifact registry, and from there our GCP Cloud Run. And then once you finished pushing and like creating and pushing your Docker image to the GCP artifact registry with the current or the latest version, as soon as you finish that process, then it will trigger your deployment to GCP Cloud Run. So then the image we have, like we just have created with the latest tag, Cloud Run will fetch that image and will deploy it to the dev environment or to the prod environment, whatever we have decided to. And then from Cloud Run, we will be dynamically we will be connecting to our cloud instance of PostgreSQL database, because as of now we are using not as of now, just except for the local development, for every environment like staging, dev and prod, we are using a cloud base PostgreSQL instance. So that happens. So basically here we are having a developer who writes code, then we have GitHub, we push the code to GitHub, we create a PR, we run the pipeline, we merge the branch, we release a tag, then as soon as we release a tag, it will trigger a release pipeline, and that will help us to release our latest code changes to the GCP Cloud Run. So this is how we are deploying our app or our backend code live as of now. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I hope you can learn something out of it, because this is almost a production ready flow to push your code from your local PC to your cloud provider. Okay, so that's how we are doing it. Of course, it might need we might need to change a few things, not a lot of things, but a few things to make it more secure, to make it more stable and reliable. So yeah, so whenever I'll be making those changes, I will be updating you with a new video. As of now, this is the flow what we are using, and this is the flow what you can use to deploy your app from your local PC to your cloud provider. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.